Welcome to SoftSpeak's Fun in the Outdoors channel.
Good morning from Victoria Campground on Lake Allatoona. It is October the 20th and we're on our probably last camping trip of the year, and our campsite is in a pull-through. This is an Army Corps of Engineers campground, and it is similar to Payne Campground where we went in August. It only has 2 bathrooms and really only a couple of loops. So this is our campsite. We had a nice fire in the fire pit last night, and we're planning on having another fire tonight. It's a good size lot. All these lots are kind of the same, or very similar, and they're not as nice as the ones that we saw in McKinney, but they're very similar. They're on concrete pads. So I'm gonna do a little walk around this campground, so I can tell you that there are quite a few kids here. I didn't really see a playground anywhere, but there are a lot of kids with their parents and people fishing and things like that, which is kind of nice, I think. So you can see that there's some mud there on the ground, so you can tell that whenever there's a big gully washer rainfall, this area is going to be flooding. Thank goodness, even though we had rain today, we don't have the problem with heavy rain. And they are calling for more rain today, but I don't know if it's going to come or not. Maybe we'll get lucky. So we're on site 56. We have a Airstream. It's lovely. That looks like a nice site. It's got a water view. And it looks fairly flat, so I think if we come back, that's probably going to be the one I'm going to want, is 54. I mean, there's a little bit of an incline, but less so. Quite a few tent campers as well as RVs. I don't really see any fifth wheels here. Class A's, travel trailers of different sizes. Let's see. Maybe there's a way I can walk down. Yeah. Might be heading down that way. Trying to look at ways of getting down to the water. We have a way from our site, but it's slippery. Maybe over here. So Victoria is located in Woodstock, Georgia. It's probably about 6 or 7 miles from Payne Campground. And they're probably about the same distance to McKinney. Both McKinney and Payne are in Ackworth. And if you don't know where that is, either one of those places, well, we're just north of Marietta, Georgia, which is a suburb of, they're all suburbs of Atlanta. Oh, beach area. I'm thinking I should go walk over there. Looks like there's a path here. Yeah. Looks like a good place to go fishing. Not a good place to go swimming, I would say. Probably not even during the middle of the summer. All right. Let's go up around here. So I think we got some private boathouses over here.
Well, thanks for watching our video on Victoria Campground on Lake Allatoona.